Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joyce here, and today let me show this lid closure. When you purchase a lid closure, you want a good hair, you want natural hairline, and you want a natural looking of the top, not too bulky or not too thin. And this, so we have worked out the best density and best natural looking frontals with our best hair. Look at this frontal, very natural looking, natural color and good thickness, and also a very natural hairline. Pre-plucked or not pre-plucked, you can decide by yourself. Leave a note. And we can also assemble wigs with this frontal. If you're looking for this frontal or assemble a wig with best quality hair and frontal, just contact us. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.